Hi, welcome back to creating a basic MVC framework with PHP. So this is part 5 and we're going to look at loading views. So views are basically just the output from whatever. So they can be XML, HTML, whatever you want, and it's up to the controller to decide which view to load. So in part 1 we created a view, index view, but we're not putting anything in it. So what we're going to do is just going to make HTML view. So this is just going to be our view. Let's just output some text, hello world. So what we want to be able to do is in our index control we want to do it same as, let's clean this up a minute. Just want to be able to do this load view and our view name as a parameter. So we've got index view, so we're going to just put index. Let's go into our load class, and this needs cleaning up. We'll do that. So do public function view, and we're going to need a name. So let's create a file equals site_path. It's in our views folder. .view. So what we're going to do is we're going to check if the file is readable. And so what our file is basically, it's in our views folder. It's going to be, in this case, it's going to be index view.php, and if it exists then we'll do this, else we're just going to throw an exception. Let's just make that capital. Put view issues. I've not put an else there because you don't really need one if you return, because then the function's over. So we're just going to include our view. We'll require our view, and then we're just going to put return true. So let's test that out. Yep, hello world and our view as the title. Yep. So what we want to be able to do is we want to be able to have dynamic views. So we want to be able to pass arguments to the view. So to do this, we're going to pass an associative array. So we're going to put vars title equals, oops. We'll just put dynamic title. I want to be able to put our vars in there. So we're going to make sure that our view is going to need an array. So to do that, let's add an extra parameter. We'll type int for an array. So we'll do array vars equals null. So only an array can be put into a view. So what we'll do is we're going to check if is set vars. Then we'll extract the vars. What vars does it is, no, what vars does, what extract does is it just turns an associative array into like regular variables. So if we have, I don't know, vars title, it'll just end up being a regular variable called title. So what we want to do here is we'll put it here, PHP echo title. Let's test that out. Actually, let's test it out. Let's close that. Yep, dynamic title. So this can be done for all sorts of things in the view, so let's just do it for the model as well. So we'll put vars posts equals this post. Remember, this is our post model from the previous episode. Get entries. And in here we're going to just put PHP. Yeah, we'll do it shorthand. For each posts as post. We're just going to put a h2 tag with the post title. Let's just close the for each. That's that. We also got hello world and hello universe from our posts model. So as you can see, we can create views very dynamically, but what you want to be careful of is having too much processing logic in the view, because that's the whole point of MVC, is to have it all split up into its own nice sections really. So what I want to do is I just want to let's just tidy up this post model a bit, because it's a bit. What I want to do is just return true here. We'll get rid of all these else conditions because we don't need them. So if we've not returned true here, then there's been an error, so we'll throw a new exception. Just put model issues. Okay, so that's all for loading views. As you've seen, we can load them dynamically, we can load them like with that. So that's all for today, I think. Oh, actually, I'll show you GitHub. I'm trying to learn how to use GitHub, so a good exercise for me will be to put all this stuff what I'm doing for these tutorials on there, and that way hopefully people can help out with making it, and then I'll learn from actually trying it. So thanks for watching, so I'll see you all next time.